Oh yeah! That's the one.
I'm just too G for you, maybe I'm just too scream. I can even roll in peace, why? Everybody notice me, yeah. I can even go to sleep, why? I'm rolling on the beat.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy Runick, and I'm back with another prank on the bad kids. You know what time it is, man. It's finna turn up. So look, man, I got the bad kids in the living room right now, but I'm finna get them to come up in the room. I'm finna hide the camera, you heard me, so you know it's finna go down. Hey, look, bro, but by the title, you already know I'm finna play some nasty, freaky sounds up on the computer, you heard me? You know, I'm gonna be acting like I'm beating my meat to some porn or whatever, so y'all, it's finna go down. Make sure y'all stay tuned, like and subscribe. Man, I'm finna see how they react, bro, cause you know it gets lit, but I don't really do this, so don't take this for serious, bro. It's just for entertainment purposes only. Anyway, turn up and stay tuned.
Hey, ow! He was getting on my head. Him! Cause I'm not even know. Y'all be having fun over there. That's all? Who over there? Them too tight too. No. You always hitting me.
See
Who
my
over there?
dance. Nigga.
That fat so you stay playing, woo.
Sit.
Like,
Sit. Time out.
ain't no such thing as time out.
Sit.
Jump up. Now, hey, sit down. Jump. Hey, where your cousin at?
Man, what y'all doing in here, man? Who ate all the last pizza, bro? Damn, bro, who ate all the last pizza, woo? That's messed up, man. Bro, stop playing with me, bro. You do too much, man. Hey, get out my bed real talk, bro. You think I'm man, bro, y'all ate all the pizza, man. Come on, man. Stuff ain't cool, bro. Come on. Alright, you feeling fun? Huh? You feeling fun? Man, move, bro. Real talk, man. Y'all doing too much, bro. Woo. Chill out, bro. You doing too much. Real talk, man. Move back, man. I need to use that computer anyway.
Come on. Everybody use the charger right quick. Come on, y'all. Somebody just took the phone. Come on, let's go to the living room.
Move. Come on, woo. You play too much, man. Let me get right here, man. It's been a long day, bro. Real talk, man. I've been driving around all day.
Oh, I found $30.
Damn,
That's
man.
for that's
I
for
do
who?
too much, man.
That's for who?
Can't even relax and enjoy myself no more. Come on, man. Stop.
Give me my money.
I'll save your money.
Move back, man. No, give my
Sign in my
life.
hand.
Man, you don't need nothing, man. You good,
Please
bro?
do.
Stupid
Please,
ass.
just a little bit. Got your money, woo.
Here, man. I need some, bro.
Man, that's my phone.
Come on, man. Y'all
Hey,
doing
chill out.
too
Come
much.
on, let's go in the living room.
Come on. Move back. Damn, man. Y'all doing too much. Ooh, chill out.
Oh!
Come on, man. Y'all doing too much.
He fighting, man.
Hey, real talk, bro. Y'all
Move back.
get out, bro. Get out. Y'all need to get out. Get out. Come on, real
Want to
talk.
get you to the end. Hey, come on, let's go.
Come on, man. Y'all doing too much.
Real talk, come on.
Damn, man. Can't even enjoy myself. Come on, man. Y'all do too much, man. Real talk. Get out, man. Get out.
I'm D. Not the girl room.
Come on, man. Get out.
Not the girl room.
Get out. Damn, man. Can't even enjoy myself no more, man. Damn, bro. They be playing too much, man. Oh, yeah, I like this. Oh, yeah. That's the one. Hey, bro, come on, man. Get out. Come on, man. Y'all doing too much, bro. Get back, man.
Oh, that's
Man, come on, man. Put that phone down, bro. I can't even enjoy myself, man. Y'all doing too much. Come on, bro. Move back. Move back. Come on. on, son. You're doing too much, man. Come on, I'm trying to. Come on, son. What are you doing?
That boy beating his meat, man.
Turn the computer off. Everybody get out, man. Get out. Get out.
Beating his meat with that.
Damn, bro. I can't even enjoy myself in here. Without y'all having to record me. Get my lotion, bro.
You
Get my
nasty,
lotion.
say.
You think I'm playing?
Man,
bro?
y'all
Alright.
nasty.
You think I'm playing? Come on, man. Get my lotion, bro.
Hey.
Y'all know I get lonely sometimes, bro. I ain't got a girlfriend. Unless we get one of y'all girl mamas come over here, then it'll be straight.
I thought you about to say girl. I was about to say you a pedophile, nigga.
Come on, man.
You want to talk about mama?
Hey,
You
damn, son, you acting like I can't enjoy myself,
but
bro.
everybody here saying,
I ain't come.
you couldn't even. He can freak around boys. Faggot. Man,
What's
you
wrong
a
with that,
fruit.
man?
You a fruit.
That don't mean I want a boy.
Yeah, dude.
I'm just horny. I get horny sometimes, man.
Oh, he was horny.
Come on, man.
No,
Do my
that's
stuff,
something
bro.
wrong, boy.
Man, come on, bro. Hey, what's up with your cousin, man?
Who?
Your TT. Come on. I'm just playing, bro. I'm just playing. Come on, chill out, bro. Chill out. Hey.
Real talk. Hey. Oh.
Come on, man. Y'all doing too. Ooh. You think I'm playing with you, bro? Y'all chill out, man. Come on, bro. Y'all be doing too. Come on,
Man, real talk.
man. Come on, bro. Let me enjoy myself, man.
You be your meat around boys. You a faggot.
At least I'm letting it be known. Y'all be hiding about it. Especially you, Mark. I seen you watching porn.
When?
You remember he had that porn history in his phone?
Who?
Yeah. Go through his phone. You gonna see.
Who? I like to leave
Big
that.
black booties on Pornhub.
Hey, I don't think one of them.
Real talk, man. Come on, man. You slapping me with lotion, bro. Like that's cool, bro.
Oh, why people gotta
Damn.
be calling me?
Y'all doing too much, man.
Hey,
Let me watch my porn in peace, man.
check my history.
Come on, man. Y'all get out. Y'all too young for this, man. Come on, man. Get out. Get out. Get out.
I bet you he watching gay porn. He watching other niggas.
Man, y'all playing too much, man. Come on, bro. Real talk, man. Get out,
What the
bro.
hell about you watching that thing?
Real talk, man. Boo, what you doing?
The fruit. They trying to whack his stuff too. Man, we about to whack his. Oh.
Damn,
See, y'all
bro.
Woo doing it too,
Come on, man.
You little faggot, son.
Well, what y'all gonna do? Help me find a girlfriend?
Yeah, hey, get on monkey. Get on
What
monkey.
type of girl should I get?
Get on monkey, son. You'll see it.
Come on, son. What you doing?
Man, what the?
Come on, man. Get on my computer like that, man.
Pornhub. Oh.
Man, y'all doing too much, bro.
Oh, man.
See, y'all really in here watching this porn, man. I was just playing. It was a prank. See, I got the camera set up over here. Hey, bro, get off my computer with that porn, man. Y'all tripping, bro, before you give me a virus.
Watching it, man.
Come on, man. Turn it off, man. Turn it off. Woo. Stop playing.
Too young.
Man, you just smacked that man, bro.
Oh, boy.
Come on, man. Y'all need to stop playing, bro. Y'all slapped me with lotion, bro.
Come on, man.
Hey, look,
Man, you just hit that man, bro. Come on, let that man. Slap him, Woo. Slap him. Slap him, Woo.
hey,
Come on, man. Y'all need to get on my computer with that, man. Real talk. I was just playing at first.
Real.
Come on, bro. I'm not finna put that on there. Why you watching porn on my computer, bro?
No, really. So you really watch? You be your meat?
Man, I was playing, son.
How does a prank sound? How does a prank sound? You really watching?
Cause, alright, bro. Y'all acting like y'all never seen porn before, bro. What y'all scared of to see a vagina, bro? I know you still a virgin, so shut up, boy. Come on, man. Shut up, boy. You a whole punk.
With the lotion.
Man, you a whole virgin. Shut up.
Everybody, you horny.
I'm a virgin. Looking ass, boy.
You a faggot. Real talk.
I got them boys, man. Hey, look, bro. Man, these dudes smack me with lotion. Oh, my boy got them hoes. Hey, look, bro. Y'all stay tuned, like and subscribe, man. Man, them boys got violent, man. It gets crazy up in here. Come on. Move back, bro. Come on, man. Real talk, man. Think I'm playing with y'all. Hey, stop hitting Woo, bro.
You really watching porn? Hey, I swear to God.
Ain't nothing wrong with porn.
What's your phone? What's your phone? Go through his sister.
Ain't nothing wrong with porn, bro. Hey, look, y'all stay tuned though. Like and subscribe. Head ass gang.